All right, we got the KDX80 back from the shop, and it was in there for motor noise, and they fixed that, but I need a new spark plug now. The spark plug's, it was starting and I ran it around, and then now it won't start, so I'm pretty sure it's the spark plug or it's flooded, so I have the gas tube off. And I let it tip over for a little bit, but here's my other little tiny dirt bike, a little Chinese pit bike. Starter is out, so it won't start. It doesn't do nothing.
Sway.
Well, this is what we're working on today. 110cc Coolster Speedmax, I'm pretty sure is what it's called. It's a 4-stroke Chinese pit bike. The back tire is flat and a bunch of holes in it. Pretty much broken. The battery's pretty new, but I already know it's not working, and I would show you, but that's disconnected, so there's no point. But it has a key, which is cool. My other bike doesn't have a key, the KDX, but 110cc 4-stroke, and 4-strokes are horrible to work on, so I'm not gonna go too much in it, but I'm pretty sure it's something with the electrical. But I am gonna take off this because someone went into here before and messed with it, and I put on a new starter chain on here because it rusted off and came loose. Here, I'll show you. Here's what it was. It's just all rusted. It actually broke. That's what happened. Is it broke and snapped off. So after it broke, I took this off and put that on, and then I had it sitting for a while, and someone put that back on. I don't know if it was me or someone. I don't remember putting it back on, but I don't know if that was put on right, so I'm gonna take it off and check and see if that's alright, because that could be a problem if that electrical stuff isn't on the right way. But after that, I'm gonna see if the wire is on the starter, or not the wire, the chain's on the starter. It could be the CDI box or just a coil or something. I know the spark plug's fine, and then I have some new spark plugs if I need it. I don't know if these will fit it, but I have these for my KDX 80. But yeah, let's get into that, see what that inside of there looks like.
Sway.
So it's missing two screws, so at the bottom, but oh well. This thing is pretty old. It's probably missing a bunch of screws. It hasn't been ran in a while either, because it's just been sitting, won't start. Oh, there's the chain. The chain's still on there good. It looks still good. Let me show y'all this. Alright, so in here, I don't know if this is the right way it's supposed to be on. If y'all know anything about Chinese pit bikes, let me know. But this wire looks like it was like grained down from this. So, and this engine isn't locked up. I can move it pretty easily, so. And then it gets hard once it gets to compression. But let me know if this is how it's supposed to be in here. I don't know anything about that, so that's the new chain I put on it. I wonder if the starter's out. The starter could be out. Probably. Either the starter, something wrong with this, the battery, this, the, I don't know. Could be something with the spark plug. Cool. It could be anything electric, because the engine's fine. And it doesn't have a kickstart, so that kind of sucks. But if you don't know anything about this, please help me out, because I have no idea. But this is just part 1 of getting it fixed. Once I learn some more about it, and y'all tell me something in the comments, I'm gonna do more videos about it. So this is just starting to mess with it, and then showing y'all it, welcoming it to the channel, I guess. And letting y'all see it just before it gets fixed, if it ever gets fixed. So let me get these all screwed back in, and it's missing these bottom two, but oh well. But yeah, this thing isn't completely clapped. It's pretty clapped, but not completely. If I want to, if it gets down to it, I could take the engine off, sell the engine, and put a kickstart engine on it. Like an engine that just has a kickstart, so I don't have to have any electrical shit. And then it'll be fun. Probably a 2-stroke engine for like a chainsaw or some shit. A 60cc or something, I don't know. But what's that? I don't know. I don't care. Let me get this thing back over there and this thing back here, and yeah. Got them back where they're supposed to be. This one's pretty nice for how old it is. 84 KDX 80. Put these tools up. That's what I was using to hold up the little mini bike, because the kickstand broke on this thing. But it's still a little cool dirt bike. If I can get it running. But look forward to see a bunch of videos with this one, and probably that one too, but this one mainly, probably doing a bunch of stuff to it. New fender, new front plate, probably. I don't know. We'll see. We will see. And the only thing wrong with this bike is the exhaust packing is like way gone. It's so horrible. I need a new exhaust, and that's all. That's literally all. Need a new exhaust. I'm pretty sure that's all. Yeah. Only thing wrong with it. Other than that, she's a beauty.